Hello everyone, in this video I will show you guys how to work with number ranges in CPI. Let's go to the monitoring area. You can see that under manage stores we have this number ranges style. Just click on it. You can see that it provides you with an option to add number range object. Just click on that. Let's give it a suitable name. For now I will just give the name trial. The minimum value needs to be 1. You can provide any value that you prefer. Maximum value needs to be 5 for me. And for now we will just leave the field length and the rotate checkbox unchecked. Okay, so you can see a number range object is created. The name is trial. The minimum value is 1. Maximum value is 5. And it also shows you what the next value is going to be. So because we have not started using the number range, the next value is 1, that is our initial value. Let's jump into Iflow and see how to use this number range. So this is our basic Iflow. I've added a content modifier, as you can see. We will jump into the exchange property of the content modifier. We will add a line, say NR. We'll change the source type to number range, and you will have to provide the name of the number range in this field, source value. And now all we have to do is add the simulation entry point and the simulation endpoint. Let's go ahead and run the simulation. Let's look at the output message properties. You can see the number range value is 1. This is our minimum initial value. Let's run the simulation again. Let's check the output message. See, the value has incremented by 1, and right now the number range value is 2. Let's quickly jump in here and refresh this. Now you can see the next value is displayed as 3 because we have already used step 1 and 2. The next value that is ready to be shared to an Iflow is 3. Right now you can see that we are not using this on a production level. We are just trying to test it using simulation in CPI, but you can see this obviously consumes the actual number from the number range. So what you can do is, you can come here, you can click on edit, you can change this value back to 1. This will reset our next value. When you try to simulate it or deploy and run the end-to-end Iflow again, you will have the actual initial value, which is 1. So have a look at the properties. As you can see, the value is 1. Alright, let's jump into the number range area again. So what is field length? Right now we have just 1 digit in the number range. Let's say I edit this field length to 2. It gives you 2 digits. So basically it adds a 0 in front of the original value. Let's change it to 3. So it provides you with 3 digits. You can maintain the number of digits by changing the field length here. Now the next value is supposed to be 001. Let's quickly run the simulation here and see if the configuration is working fine. Okay, let's check the output message. As you can see, the value is 001. Let's quickly jump back. What is rotate? What happens when we check in the rotate checkbox? Okay, so right now our number range is between 1 and 5. So what happens if we reach 5? Okay, let's edit and keep this as 5. Okay, let's check the output message. You can see the last value is 5. Now if I run the simulation again, what happens is it comes back to the initial value. This is because we check this rotate checkbox. If this checkbox is not ticked, in that case, this operation that we just performed will throw an error. Let's have a look at that as well. Let's uncheck this. Okay, let's have it at 5. Okay, come back here, run the simulation first. So as you can see, the simulation has failed. So the error detail says error while fetching next value for number range trial, which means 5 is considered as the last value. Because we have not checked this box, CPI is not able to identify the next number after 5, so it throws an error saying it is not able to find the next value of the number range trial. So this is how you create and edit number ranges and call the values inside your Iflow using content modifier. Let's say you want to delete this number range. All you have to do is keep the line selected and click and deploy. Yes, this will delete the number range. Hope you guys learned something useful today. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.